Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of the Love Learn group. I hope that you're all doing very well and that you are staying safe. Today I'm going to do a very fun color run experiment with you. For this experiment you will need a plate, paper towel, food coloring, some water, glasses and straws. As you can see, I've already mixed in my food coloring with my water. I've used yellow, green and pink. Now I'm going to start the experiment. Firstly, I'm going to drop some water of each color onto the plate. The first color is pink. The second color is green. And the third color is yellow. Now I'm going to take the paper towel and I'm going to put it onto the plate. Now you can see how the colors run on the paper towel. Thank you for joining the Love Learn Group YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe.